I feel something. A slight tingle in my fingers. I think it's affecting me.
Trooper, why aren't you firing your weapon? That is General Grievous. Destroy him immediately.
I think it's affecting me.
Your doctor will make a fine addition to my collection.
CT 534627. General Grievous has just stolen my cough syrup. Do something. Fire your weapon, you useless meatbag.
I feel something. A slight tingle in my fingers. I think it's affecting me.
Clones are worthless trash. Useless pieces of garbage that stick like slime to the bottom of my four-toed elephant feet. Their pathetic, insignificant existence is only tolerated as a means to destroy the eyesore of robotic bucket-headed clankers that plague the galaxy. When this war is over, they will be crushed, ground to dust, and blasted into oblivion.